Hi guys, welcome to another video in Fusion TV. And as you know, crypto has just crashed basically, and so Bitcoin was at 58,000 range. As you can see, we were at the all-time high of 63,000 on April 16, and we dramatically dropped at this point, and we dropped even more after this incident down here. And this is mainly this two-tire drop, I would say, is caused mainly by Elon Musk's tweet, I would say. However, this drop is caused by China's declaration that Bitcoin will no longer be accepted in the institutional level. Basically, they are banning Bitcoin on the institutional level. And for many of you guys here, you might not know what exactly is Bitcoin. If you're new to this, I would just like to run through with you what is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was founded by Satoshi Nakamoto. So this guy, he is actually a pseudo person. No one actually knows who this guy is because he left the project after finding Bitcoin in 2009. And as you guys know, in 2009 Bitcoin's price was not even listed in CoinMarketCap. It was around below $1, and then suddenly raised in popularity, and boom, it shot up pretty high. Now what I feel like we're seeing is that in 2017 the same thing happened to Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at an all-time high of this about 17,000 range, and then it went all the way up to $8,000. I still remember this very vividly. And this crash was caused mainly because of lots of hype at that point of time, and you can go read up on it. A lot of hype in that time, and people are having fear, uncertainty, and doubt about Bitcoin, and then it drops all the way down here. And I feel like this is the same thing we are seeing right now. Bitcoin will always go up no matter what it is because of the people behind Bitcoin. Is backed by the community mainly. So Bitcoin, a lot of people call Bitcoin as an excellent store of value, but however, how true can it be when you put in your hard-earned money at this top range and then suddenly it drops all the way down? Yeah, and the thing is that Bitcoin's face is now a mystery. Who's the person, who's Satoshi Nakamoto, and nobody knows, but apparently whoever working on Bitcoin is called Satoshi Nakamoto. It's a group of people, and this is their white paper that I just managed to find out. This is their white paper, and you can find this in their Bitcoin's website. So Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, and everything is here. And Bitcoin's main website address is www.bitcoin.org. So they talk about transactions, and this is what really took off proof of work. This is what really took off Bitcoin's prevalence for that matter, and all these blockchain technologies, how it works, peer-to-peer transactions, and everything really help Bitcoin go the extra mile. And if you go to Bitcoin's website, you can see Bitcoin's how it works and everything down here. But however, Bitcoin does not have a person to spearhead the project. So how often can you call this decentralized finance? Is quite a difficult thing to predict, because Bitcoin, as you know, whenever someone tweets, for example, let's just put Elon Musk. So he says things like Tesla's diamond hands, and before that he was attacking people at Bitcoin too. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchasing using Bitcoin, and all these tweets, when he sent this tweet, the Bitcoin's price drastically, on this was on the 13th May. And if you go and look back at 13th May, this was when we experienced our first drop. This was when we experienced our first major drop. and then we started to recover, and Tesla had another fight with, not Tesla, sorry, we had another fight with Elon Musk had a feud with some other person here. And Elon Musk started posting here. He suggested that he might have sold when there was still about here. When there was still Bitcoiners that would let themselves next quarter when they found out Tesla like the rest of the holdings. After this tweet, Bitcoin's price eventually dropped furthermore, and it's also because of the fact that Peter had together with Elon Musk, and this really sent the Bitcoin's price really crashing down, and also because of China's news. China Bitcoin. And also Bitcoin is crashing because of China's cracks on cryptocurrencies that person eventually banning Bitcoin on the institutional level. However, the individuals are still able to buy. However, Beijing banned banks and payment firms from providing services related to cryptocurrency, as you can see from this article. That is why, from the BBC News, that is why it is dropping. And from all these, as you can see, how centralized is Bitcoin is quite a thing that you should think about, because although it is decentralized finance, whenever people like Elon Musk or someone tweets, the value is dropping drastically. So we really need to see if this is what we really want to achieve, and this is what we want to see. Bitcoin will eventually go up again, but then it is no guarantee that external factors might affect Bitcoin's price, and